Hi, Miss Ilagan. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello sir, good day. I am Cherry C. Ilagan. I am 38 years old and from Tupi, South Cotabato, and I am married.
Okay. Do you have kids?
I have 4 kids, 2 boys aged 18 years old and 14 years old, 2 girls 15 years old and 5-year-olds.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 brothers, 1 sisters. I am the 3rd child.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I am college graduate of 4 years, Bachelor in Science and Social Work.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
I have experience work here in Philippines
Okay. Since when, ma'am?
from June 2022 to June 2024.
Okay. What is your duties and responsibilities there, ma'am?
My duties and responsibilities like ironing, washing clothes, gardening, car washing, pet care, baby care, and also tutoring.
Okay. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking, cheerful, and a loving mother.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my family financially to save for my future kids.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Okay. Give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
I will talk to them about it in a calm voice.
Okay, that would be all, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.